Hi guys, Rod again here. Just a quick update on what is the homemade Sluice Highbanker. Made from, you might recall, made from what was a toolbox caddy, the top section, which was here of course, and it attached at the rear, came across and went down that part. So yeah, what we've got is, I haven't tried it with the water transfer pump. I've currently got a 2,000 gallon per hour pump set up, and I've never been pleased with it, to be honest with you. I know that battery there is charged and full to go, but there's not quite enough water coming out of here, and considering it's not on a very harsh angle, it's always going to be slow, and that's okay. But just to try get a bit of water up towards the end, I've had to add a few extensions, which kind of negates the crash bar at the top. I was pretty pleased with this. This is the clay. This, yep, sits in the side nice enough, and when you need to use it, the clay breaker, I think we'll call it, slides in. So that's pretty cool. And yeah, give me half a second and we'll turn it on and just have a very quick look. As per usual, my battery's about to die in the world's worst camcorder, but we'll just have a bit of a sneaky peek. Yes, got a bit of a leak happening there, but as you can see, it's certainly flowing down all right and coming out the rear okay. But yeah, like I said, really you want this coming up to the rear. It would work, but if you've got to have pipes coming out, well, that's going to make it harder to shovel in. So that is a problem. We will see what it's like with the water transfer pipe. But as a general kind of first go, I guess I don't mind it. It's been a bit of work, and as you can see, this is my tool shed. Not. So yeah, I think we've done kind of okay considering, but if it works out it needs a bigger pump than that, I'll just leave it up to someone else to continue with it. Anyway, this is Rod, that's an update. Yeah, it's not real flash for 2,000 gallons per hour. You think you'd be getting a bit more out of it. It looks okay coming off the rear here. You go, oh yeah, there's a fair bit of water moving, but really it's not enough, not at this end. And if you've got to put extensions out, well then they're in the danger zone and they'll get broken, there's no doubt. Okay, thanks for having a quick look.